all-purpose flour right here, and into that I'm going to add baking powder, baking soda, some salt, some brown sugar, some white sugar, and some cocoa powder. Okay, so we're going to mix the dry ingredients, and I'm going to pour some vegetable oil into my stand mixer, some buttermilk, 1 whole egg, and vanilla extract. I'm going to mix that in on low speed. Once that is done, we're going to add the dry ingredients. Oops. And then we're going to mix everything in. Alright, so once that is mixed in, we're going to add some very, very hot coffee. Okay, if you don't like coffee, just use hot water. Gonna mix that in, and you're going to start filling. Make sure you don't fill them all the way to the top, otherwise they're going to flow over in the oven. Just do about 3/4 full. So I ended up with 11 cupcakes. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and here they are out of the oven. They look amazing. Make sure you insert a toothpick in the middle. If it comes out clean, it means they're done. I'm going to carefully take them out and set them on a cooling rack to cool completely. I'm going to leave a link to a video in the description box. It's just a mixture of powdered sugar and butter. Just whip it real hard for 8 straight minutes. Time to frost them.